So as a young investor, if you were trying to get into real estate, here's the steps that I would take, right? My first step is I would find some real estate agents. I would talk to them, right? I'd let them know I'm trying to get into real estate investing, and I would find out where the real estate meetups are. Where do they go? Then I'd start speaking to people at the real estate meetups. So you're going to meet investors at real estate meetups. You're going to meet contractors at real estate meetups. You're going to meet real estate agents at real estate meetups. So I would start having the conversations with them and let them know that you're looking to get into investing. And a lot of them, to be honest with you, as an investor, the number one thing we're looking for is somebody to find properties for us. If you look at people like Pace Morby and some of these other YouTubers out there that have, big real estate following, what they do is they have companies where they have people who work for them, and literally their job is to find properties, and a lot of times they end up wholesaling. They wholesale those properties, those deals that they don't like, to other people, but they have a group of people that go out and find those properties. If you became one of those people, that's your start. That's your entry point. Now, if you're talking about you have a couple dollars, that was for people that was like, hey, I've got no money.